Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate. In this high-tech environment, are open houses really effective for sellers? Whether you have an open house or not is entirely up to the seller and the listing agent. And a lot of times it depends on the particular situation for that home and owner. So first of all, what is an open house? Well, it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's when an agent designates a day and time that they're going to have the property open to anybody that wants to come visit. And a seller prepares for an open house just like they would for a regular individual buyer showing. Now, when I say anybody can visit, I mean anybody. That means other realtors, neighbors, maybe some of your competition, other sellers, buyers that are just dreaming that can't possibly afford it, and finally, those buyers that are really interested in your home. Having an open house creates not only in-house activity, but online traffic. And the goal of a listing agent is to get as much exposure for your home as possible, as many people know about it. The more people that know about it, the more likely you are to secure the right buyer. And for us, what we do is we put it in the MLS. Well, in fact, there are two MLSs in our area, and so I'm a member of both, and that's really important. I'm also a member of Realtor.com, Zillow, and Homes.com, which are great platforms to get you additional exposure. And also, I do Facebook and Instagram ads, along with a lot of other things. We have an extensive marketing plan that we use for our sellers. Now, an open house can be a low-pressure way for buyers to visit a home where they don't feel obligated that they have to do something at that home or feel obligated to the agent that's hosting it. But it also can be a way that somebody visits a home that maybe wasn't super excited, but then comes in and they fall in love with the home and has to write a contract. Now, it can also be a high pressure environment for a buyer if there's a lot of activity at your open house and the buyer went there knowing they were interested in the home. They might all of a sudden feel like, oh my gosh, there's so much interest in activity, I better make a really good offer. So open houses can be very effective tools. If you are interested in selling and would like to talk more about what we can do for you, click on the link below. And remember, my team and I are on standby 7 days a week, ready to help you take the smoother road to sold, whether you're buying or selling.